I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video view of the Garsing outdoor leisure product. It's their camping swing chair. This company, Garsing, is a top manufacturer of design outdoor products. They have decades of experience in manufacturing patio products. Each piece is sleekly designed, rigorously tested for durability, and assembly instructions have been standardized for simplicity from start to finish. They create a lot of freedom lifestyle products and more opportunities for people to explore the unknown in the outdoors. Now, this product offers a unique 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day warranty for quality-related issues with free replacement parts. There's also a 24 hours online customer service, and they have all that information right on the paperwork that comes with the product and the email address also. So this is the product right here, and it has a capability to hold a large amount of weight, and it does that through a series of trusses on here. And what's totally unique is you can see it swings, and you could adjust the angle. I'm going to show you how to do that using those pieces right there at the end. But it's a very stable design because it has a very wide track on the bottom, as you can see right there. And that wide track is what gives it its stability, because it actually fans outward. There's also locking pins on each part right there with a welded tab, and I'm going to show you that when you assemble it. First, I'm going to show you how it comes and how you could close this up and shrink it down so that it fits in the nice storage container that it came with. So here I have it in the package that it came in, and you can see it has the ability to fold back in, and really nicely you can carry it and bring it somewhere. And it has a handle on here right there, really heavy duty handle, so it's easy to carry it, bring it to a park or an event. Really nice. So the first assembly is you take it out of the package and you put it standing like this, and you separate these two pieces here, and then this thing essentially opens up, and there is locking pins on here, and you want to go to the point right there where it's right below the welding tab, and then you lock this in place. And you got to make sure that you go past that welding plate like that, and then you lock this in place like that. So that's like a mechanical stop on there for safety. The next step is to take the top part. You can see the Garsing in the back there, and then these pieces right here, they drop down and they lock in place on each one of the sides here, right there and right there. And then the swing has the ability to swing on here, and you have adjustments you can make on all these pieces right here to get the angle correct of the actual swing, and the instruction manual shows that right there. And you could adjust to 4 position locks on the strap to achieve the infinite adjustment between upright and reclined. So a little trial and error to get it right just for yourself. As you can see, it rocks, allows you to rock back and forth, and the stability of this is with that locking section over there and those pieces of welded metal on there which lock into those tabs, and all the trusses and everything on here. And you can see on the left hand side it has a really nice oversized pocket where you could store your mobile phone or a tablet or something like that, or snacks if you're at a game or an event. And on the right hand side there is a big pocket here where you can store your drink. You can also see the stitching right there to support the back weight on this piece right there. It's on both sides, heavy duty stitching, which is going to allow it to support a large amount of weight on this truss right here. The adjustments you can make are right here. and they allow you to adjust the angle of the back. You can make it further back or more forward depending on what you want. Just adjust those accordingly. And it has a nice little headrest on there so that you can sit back and be comfortable. Now to unassemble this is quite easy. You take those pieces that I showed you, you lift them up, this whole piece comes off, and then you collapse it after you undo the tabs on the bottom, and the whole thing should go back right into the container so that you can bring it to your next event. So here we are trying it. My wife's trying it outside in our backyard where we have a nice little forest area right there. And it's nice because you can see she's swinging, it's comfortable. So those straps allowed her to adjust it so she can go further back, doing stargazing, or you can go more forward. But it's definitely very sturdy with that wide stance that it has on there and the pockets that are in there. It's very nice. So we're looking forward to using this while we're doing any camping or any outdoor activities, any sports events. This is perfect for that. So I'm impressed by the product, the strength, the weight capacity it has, the ease of putting it together. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.